Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Today we will discuss about the most important PYQ part 2 for the nursing exam. First question. The most common complication of prolonged immobility is option A pulmonary embolism, option B pressure ulcer, option C pneumonia, option D muscle hypertrophy. The answer is option B, because prolonged immobility causes the ischemia and pressure points it's cause the bed sores. Next, in appendicitis, the pain is first felt in option A right lower quadrant, option B left lower quadrant, option C epigastrium, option D suprapubic region. The answer is option A right lower quadrant, right lower quadrant, right upper quadrant. Option A is the correct answer. This is the left upper quadrant and this is the left lower quadrant. So answer is option A, right lower quadrant. Next, which is the most common site for the nosocomial infection? Option A, urinary tract, option B, respiratory tract, option C, surgical site, option D, bloodstream. The answer is option A, because urinary catheter associated with the urinary tract infection. Next, the antidote for the iron poisoning is option A defuroxamine, option B EDTA, option C BAL, option D penicillium. The answer is option A defuroxamine. Option A is the correct answer. Next, which heart rhythm is described as sawtooth waves on ECG? Option A atrial fibrillation, option B atrial flutter, option C ventricular tachycardia, option D PVCS. The answer is option B atrial flutter. It's saw the sawtooth waves on ECG like that. Next, which diagnostic test is used to confirm the tuberculosis? Option A Mantox test, option B chest x-ray, option C sputum AAB smear or the culture test, option D ESR test. The answer is option C sputum AAB smear or the culture test. Next, which is the most common cause of the meningitis in newborn? Option A E. coli, option B group B streptococcus, option C Listeria monocytogenes, option D H. influenza. The answer is option B group B streptococcus. Next, which anti-tubercular drug causes the optic neuritis? Option A isoniazid, option B rifampicin, option C pyrazinamide, option D ethambutol. The answer is option D ethambutol. Next, the normal activated partial thromboplastin time is option A 10 to 15 seconds, option B 25 to 35 seconds, option C 50 to 17 seconds, option D 70 to 90 seconds. The answer is option B 25 to 35 seconds. Next, which electrolyte abnormality is seen in Addison disease? Option A hyponatremia, hyperkalemia, option B hypernatremia, hypokalemia, option C hypernatremia, hyperkalemia, option D hyponatremia and the hypokalemia. The answer is option A hyponatremia and the hyperkalemia. Next, in CPR Depth of chest compression in adult should be option A 1 centimeter, option B 2 centimeter, option C 5 to 6 centimeter, option D 7 to 8 centimeter. The answer is option C 5 to 6 centimeter. Next, which antihypertensive is safe in pregnancy? Option A ACE inhibitor, option B methyl dopa, option C losartan, option D enalapril. The answer is option B methyl dopa. Methyl dopa labetalol is the safe, and ACE inhibitors are totally contraindicated in the pregnancy. Next, which hormone is secreted by the posterior pituitary? Option A ACTH adrenocorticotropic hormone, option B oxytocin, option C GH growth hormone, option D prolactin. The answer is option B oxytocin and vasopressin are the posterior pituitary hormone. Next, the gold standard test for the myocardial infarction is option A ECG, option B troponin IOT, option C CKMB, option D echocardiography. The answer is option B troponin IOT. Troponin T is the most specific biomarker for the myocardial infarction, or the gold standard test for the myocardial infarction. Next, which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? Option A Tdap, option B hepatitis B, option C influenza inactivated, option D MMR. The answer is option D, because all live vaccines are contraindicated. MMR means measles, mumps and rubella. Next, the drug of choice for the hypertensive emergency in pregnancy is option A methyl dopa, option B labetalol, option C enalapril, option D propranolol. The answer is option B labetalol. Labetalol is the IV is the first choice for the rapid BP control in eclampsia. So the answer is option B labetalol. Next, which artery palpated during the infant CPR? Option A carotid, option B femoral, option C brachial, option D radial. The answer is option C. For infant palpate the brachial, for the child femoral, and for the adult carotid adult. So the answer is option C. Next, the classical sign of the hypocalcemia is option A Chauvet sign, option B Cullen's sign, option C Gray Turner's sign, option D Trou's sign. The answer is option A Chauvet sign. Next, which vitamin deficiency causes the neural tube defects? Option A vitamin C, option B folate, option C vitamin B12, option D vitamin A. Folate also known as the folic acid. The answer is option B. Next, in hypothermia, the first priority nursing action is option A give hot fluids, option B apply heating pads, option C remove wet clothing, option D give IV warm saline. The answer is option C remove the wet clothing, because it can increases the temperature also. Next, the normal ICP range is option A 0 to 5 mm Hg, option B 5 to 15 mm of Hg, option C 15 to 25 mm of Hg, option D 25 to 40 mm of Hg. The answer is option B 5 to 15 mm of Hg. Next, In which condition is Kussmaul's respiration seen? Option A, respiratory alkalosis. Option B, metabolic acidosis. Option C, respiratory acidosis. Option D, metabolic alkalosis. The answer is option B, metabolic acidosis. Next, the normal urinary output in adults is option A 0.1 ml per kg per hour, option B 0.5 ml per kg per hour, option C 1.0 ml per kg per hour, option D 2.0 ml per kg per hour. The answer is option B 0.5 ml per kg per hour. Next, which drug is avoided in asthmatic patients? Option A, beta blockers. Option B, corticosteroids. Option C, anticholinergics. Option D, leukotriene antagonists. The answer is option A, beta blockers. Next, the antidote for the cyanide poisoning is option A, sodium nitrate plus thiosulfate. Option B, atropine. Option C, naloxone. Option D, methyl blue. The answer is option A, sodium nitrate and thiosulfate. Next, the normal CSF pressure is option A 20 to 50 mm of Hg. Option B 70 to 180. Option C 200 to 300. Option D 400 to 500. The answer is option B 70 to 180 mm of Hg. Next, which drug causes the red man syndrome? Option A vancomycin. Option B rifampicin. Option C chloromethonical. Option D gentamicin. The answer is option A vancomycin. Next, which vitamins prevents the hemorrhagic disease of the newborn? Option A vitamin C. Option B D. Option C vitamin K. Option D vitamin A. The answer is option B vitamin D. Vitamin K. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Vitamin K is the prevents hemorrhagic disease for the newborn. Next, which is the safest site for IM injection in adults? Option A deltoid. Option B ventogluteal. Option C dorsogluteal. Option D vastus latris. Vastus latris we used for the newborn or the child, newborn for and or the child, and ventogluteal for the adults, and it's also the safest site for the IM injection. Next, the antidote of the digoxin toxicity is option A digoxin immunofab. Option B protamine. Option C atropine. Option D vitamin K. The answer is option A digoxin immunofab or the digividin, also known as the digividin. Next, the rule of 9 is used to estimate fluid replacement in dehydration. Option B assess burn surface area. Option B C calculate the BMI. Option C D determine the chest expansion. The answer is option B assess the burn surface area. Next, which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? Option A Tdap. Option B hepatitis B. Option C MMR. Option D influenza. We already discussed before that all live vaccines are contraindicated in the pregnancy. So MMR is the live vaccine. So MMR is contraindicated in the pregnancy. Next, the earliest sign of hypovolemic shock is option A hypotension. Option B tachycardia. Option C oliguria. Option D confusion. The answer is option B tachycardia. Next, after a lumbar puncture, the patient should be positioned. Option A Trendelenburg position. option B, supine or flat position, option C, left lateral position, option D, semipolar position. The answer is option B, supine or flat position, because flat position after the LP procedures reduce the risk of the post-dural puncture headache by the minimizing the CSF leakage. So the answer is option B, supine flat. Next, in eclampsia, the drug of choice for the seizure prevention is option A, phenytoin, option B, diazepam, option C, magnesium sulfate, option D, lorazepam. The answer is option C, magnesium sulfate. Next, which electrolyte imbalance is common with the loop diuretic therapy? Option A, hyperkalemia, option B, hypokalemia, option C, hypernatremia, option D, hypercalcemia. The answer is option B, hypokalemia, because loop diuretics increases the potassium losses, so it's leading to the hypokalemia. Next, the first step in basic life support is option A, airway, option B, circulation, option C, breathing, option D, scene safety. The answer is option D. At first we have to see the scene safety. According to scene safety, after that we will do the next procedure. So the answer is option D. Next, which type of the precaution is necessary for the patient with the tuberculosis? Option A, droplet, option B, contact, option C, airborne, option D, standard. The answer is option C. Airborne precaution should be necessary for the tuberculosis patient. Next, what is the normal range of the central venous pressure? Option A, 0 to 4, option B, 2 to 6, option C, 8 to 12, option D, 12 to 16. The answer is option B, 2 to 6 mm of Hg. Next, which condition is diagnosed with the Mantoux test? Option A, HIV, option B, tuberculosis, option C, leprosy, option D, syphilis. The answer is option B, tuberculosis. Mantoux test, or also known as the tuberculin skin test, detects the delay hypersensitivity to TB antigen, screening for the latent TB. For the HIV patients, if it's come greater than 7, it will be the positive, and for the normal patients, when it will come the greater than 10, it's caused the tuberculosis. Next, positive. Which immunoglobulin cross the placenta? Option A, IgA, option B, IgM, option C, IgE, option D, IgG. The answer is option D, IgG. Option D is the correct answer. Next, which artery is commonly used for checking the blood pressure? Option A, radial artery, option B, carotid artery, option C, brachial artery, option D, femoral artery. The answer is option C. For the hand, there is only the carotid here. This is the brachial artery. So we checked for the BP is brachial artery. So the answer is option C, brachial artery. Next, which electrolyte abnormality is seen in the Addison disease? Option A, hypernatremia and the hypokalemia. Option B, hyponatremia and the hyperkalemia. Option C, hypercalcemia. Option D, hypophosphatemia. The answer is option B, hyponatremia and the hyperkalemia. Next, in CPR, the recommended chest compression depth for the adult is option A, 2 inches, option B, option A, 1 inches, option B, 2 inches, option C, 3 inches, option D, 4 inches. The answer is option B, 2 to 2.5 inches. It's comes in centimeter, 5 to 6 centimeter. So the answer is option B. Next, which hormone is responsible for the milk ejection reflex? Option A, prolactin. Option B, oxytocin. Option C, progesterone. Option D, estrogen. The answer is option B. Oxytocin is responsible for the milk ejection, and for the milk production, it's the prolactin for the milk production. For the milk ejection, oxytocin, ejection. Next, which is the most common causes of the postpartum hemorrhage? Option A, uterine inversion. Option B, genital tract trauma. Option C, retained placenta. Option D, uterine atony. The answer is option D, uterine atony. Next, which is the antidote of the organophosphorus poisoning? Option A, naloxone. Option B, flumazenil. Option C, atropine. Option D, vitamin K. The answer is option C, atropine. Next, in myocardial infarction, the most specific cardiac marker is option A, CKMB. Option B, troponin IOT. Option C, myoglobin. Option D, LDH. The answer is, we already discussed in before, troponin I or the troponin T is the most specific biomarker for the myocardial infarction. Next, which isolation precaution is required for a patient with the Clostridium difficile infection? Option A, airborne. Option B, droplet. Option C, contact. Option D, reverse isolations. The answer is option C, contact. Next, which organ is primarily site of the vitamin D activation? Option A, liver. Option B, kidney. Option C, small intestine. Option D, pancreas. The answer is option B, kidney. Vitamin D is converted to its active form in the kidneys under the influence of the PTH, parathyroid hormone. So the answer is option B. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe. And which type of video you want, please comment. Thank you everyone.